Hey everybody, this is Matthew again, and I'm actually upgrading my higher HLP23E. I got these casters at Walmart today, and they actually fit the washing machine well. I'm going to show you how to put them on in case you have any questions. Let's get down here on the floor. And I've already put this one on. I just left the little, I guess I can take that off now. Probably won't come off easily. Oh well. And I've already actually put this one on here too. Got to make sure you put it tightly, and then you just stick it on here and screw it in there. That'd help if I actually put the phone on there. And you want to screw it on there pretty tightly so it won't come off. And make sure also when you buy the casters that you get the kinds with the brakes, because you want to be able to hold the washer in place. Okay, so I've got this side, and we're going to go ahead and tip it the rest of the way over, and hopefully it don't fall apart. Well, not fall apart, but hopefully water don't go everywhere. I'm going to put this phone down for a second while I do this. Okay, so I've got it turned over now, and you'll see that the legs that are on it looks like this. You just simply unscrew that off of there. And next, you'll want to take the plastic piece from the other part. So let me just, well, if I could, okay, I hit something on my phone. Anyway, you'll want to unscrew this thing off of here. Yeah, keep this piece just in case, you may need it later. And put it like this, and then you will screw it on that way. Hold this bottom part down here, because it won't really work doing it the other way, because it will not fit. You will not be able to screw the caster on there as easily. And then you will have the place to put the new caster. Screw it pretty tightly, but be sure not to strip the piece of plastic that's on there. And got one more down there which you can't see because it's too dark. We're going to take it off, and we're going to do the same thing. So just unscrew it, and it looks like it's a little bit rusty, but that's okay. And just put the plastic piece on the caster. It's kind of hard to get this piece on here tight, but just basically hold the bottom part while you're doing it. And we'll put the last one on. Okay. So all the wheels are rolling freely, and I'm getting ready to flip the washing machine back over. And actually water did get in the floor, but that's okay. I can clean it up later. But anyway, see some water leaked into the floor. But you may have that happen if you don't watch out. And now the washing machine rolls freely. And, you know, if you want to stop it, just simply press the brakes with your foot and you'll be good to go. So, thanks for watching. And one more thing real quick. I'll just show you the website that I bought these at Walmart, and I actually wasn't able to find them on the Walmart website. I did find it on the Lowe's website. Waxman 2-inch rubber swivel caster. And these were a little bit cheaper actually at Walmart. They were $2.97. So you would get them a little bit cheaper there. It would help if I did move the mouse. 2-inch, and it has an 80-pound rating, and it's the steel version. It swivels and it has a brake, and the wheel is made out of rubber. So there you have it. If you have any questions, simply write to me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks.